today we are not working because I just the place made the man for work that work. The man that I showed us. So me just work that work finish so that man start to do one or two. Because time no day. By May now, rain go down the day and it is time to plan well. So make me come meet man never put anything for you know go fine. So when it is like this now, please, it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Maker and Josie. Please find my videos informative, educative, and above all, what engaging. You know what to do for me now. Please just share this video to at least 20 people, 20 groups, or 20 platforms. Please, I would like to see that you have shared my video to at least 20. Share it on your profile, share it on your status. Understand? I beg. Invite people to follow my page. I beg. Thank you. Encourage your friends, your families. So there is something I want to tell us, but before I say it, they come. Back to what I wanted to say. You see, you as an agriculturist by privilege, there's something you need to do for yourself. Any ideas, try to get where you could get fruit. Try where you could get fruit. Try where you could get with you with the chop. Once you enter your backyard, you cut them, you chop them. Because as an agriculturist, you need to have all those things for your backyard. Once you just enter your farm, cut. As I don't enter so cut, now you don't see them. If I go sell this thing, I know how much it is. So, but as a great agriculturist, I'm number one. I want chopper. Yeah, that's what we do for here. So, please, it is always good to do mixed farming. Not just focus on one particular farm. So, okay, what do you do this? All this thing get this one is very wonderful. Don't just focus in one farming. Say, okay, more just do only one farm. Try add another thing. You see this one now for eating. You know what is this? This sugarcane. stop playing. Your mind go day. Please, if you find my videos informative and educative, above all, what engage you, make sure you share this video to at least 20 groups. You know the matter now. I beg. Try to do mixed farming. Just focus on one farming. What if that one now in season no can reach? So try do some mixed farming. You understand? When I be like this one, if I can't go say now, everyone I mean me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Now eating things.